how to add this professional looking light for just 30 bucks using 2 IKEA lights and a bit of handiwork. Welcome to my little home studio. Here you see these lights in full swing. The lights are based on IKEA Tertial desk lights. These are fully adjustable, and because I use smart bulbs, I can control the intensity and the color temperature. Now let's see how I made them. I used simple cardboard and I cut out 4 side panels. Now I measured it to be 35 centimeters at the widest end and 6.5 centimeters at the shortest end, because that's the diameter of the light itself. Once I had cut out 4 sides, I lined them with aluminium foil to reflect as much light as possible. I then had to tape them together, and these 4 sides together now form that typical softbox shape. To further diffuse the light, I used some parchment paper, which I usually use for baking, but it does the job quite well. Now this next step is absolutely not necessary, but I had some vinyl sticker laying around, so I just wanted to make everything black. It was now time to put everything together, so I screwed in a light bulb and attached the softbox to the light. On one of the 4 sides I had to create a little slot so I could just slide it on. Then I used some tape to put everything together and secure it in place. Basically it's all done, but how do you know it works? Well, here's my test subject. If you ask me, it's looking pretty damn good. And no, I'm not talking about the cat. Here you can see the difference between the lights off and on. All I had to do now is put those lights into my studio and I'm good to go. Here's a little bonus tip for you. If you use smart bulbs, you've got the ultimate control. I can control individual lights. I can just turn them off and on. And because I use Home Assistant, I can create scenes. So now I've got my studio set up. But if I wanted to play something on a couch, I could just switch. Or maybe I just want to do a little work and I need to be focused. Just turn down the lights and I can work. It's that easy.